Hey traders, Andy here. Hope you guys are well. So today is Friday. It is non-farm payrolls. So we've got non-farm payrolls coming out in the next couple of hours. So that's a big one, a big event it's always the something to look out for at the start of every month, as we spoke about on the PIP show. And if you can see my screen, you can see we have today the average hourly earnings coming out, and of course the non-farm payrolls. And the non-farm payrolls are predicted to come in very similar to what they were last month. So 870,000 positive change in employment numbers. So we will see what happens. If the number comes in above that, that will give dollar strength. If the number comes in below 850, then it will be dollar weakness. Now, on the show, on the PIP show, we spoke about the euro dollar, and I just want to kind of bring it up because it pretty much got to the price where I was interested in. And obviously we have non-farm payroll. So one of the questions sometimes we get is, well, look, should I buy it now? Should I wait until after the news? Well, in my opinion, if you're buying a swing trade, then you can absolutely buy it, as long as it's not within sort of 30 minutes of the event, you can buy it before. Of course, it can go against you and the market could spike down. What you could do, which is what I would probably recommend, is to go half size. So if you will normally do 1%, you could buy 0.5% and then look to add. So if it goes a little bit lower, you might want to add. Now, one of the tools that we love to use is the daily trading manager. Now, I prefer using it on MT4, but I'm just going to add it here on TradingView because this is what I've got up. And I liked, if you can see there, that's kind of the predicted low on a normal day. But today is not a normal day, so I'm going to increase that multiple by 1.5. And that kind of gives me there the extreme, the absolute extreme for the day. Now, I've basically just gone in long here. And I am basically putting my stop quite far down, so below the lows. So in essence, my biggest concern with non-farm is, am I going to get stopped out before I've even had a chance for the trade to work out? Well, unless it's an absolutely extreme number, which we've never, would be completely out of the ordinary, it's unlikely we're going to go below this 1.5 multiple. You can even look at this little red line, and you can see here, we don't often go below that. In fact, you can see even with these huge down days here, we haven't actually gone really below it. And I have to probably search a lot to find a day where we've maybe even gone below this red line. And I can't even see one. And I've gone back, to February. So the chances of us going below this point today is very, very slim. So I'm confident to buy this right here with a stop at 117.35 and a target of 119.92. And this is literally done exactly. I just want to bring in the video so you can see the scribble that I made on the PIP show.
Into that box with us basically hitting this trend line. Now,
I'm just going to show you here where I'm basically scribbling exactly what I prefer. So I was talking about I'd like this to go down slowly to hit this trend line because I want a build up of energy.
If this market was to go like sideways and then reach there by the end of the week, that would be much, much better, right? So
that kind of pretty much, it's pretty much done that, right? It's exactly what we wanted to see. So it's there. So it's exactly where I need it to be. So I've just taken a long position, and we'll see what happens. Look, if you want to take this long position, you can. Of course, you've got to follow your own plan. But if you're going to do half size, you might want to consider putting the other half here. So you can average in. So half there and half there, because this is the extreme of the day. Okay. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps. Good good trading, and I'll catch you again on Monday. Have a good weekend, everyone. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.